Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Thai green chicken curry. So let's get started. I've got here 1 can of coconut milk, 1 kilo of boneless chicken, some oil for cooking, some chicken stock. I'm using homemade chicken stock but you can use store-bought, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 1 medium zucchini cut into thin slices, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar or you can use palm sugar, salt to taste, 1 cup of thinly sliced capsicum, you can use fresh or frozen, 1 cup of green beans which I have cut in half a bottle of green curry paste. I'm using store-bought curry paste. You can use half the bottle and keep the other half in the fridge for later, and 1 red chili which I have thinly sliced. This is optional. Place a pot on medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil and heat it. Add half the chicken and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes or until the chicken turns brown and take it out in a dish. Add the remaining chicken and repeat this process. Wipe the pot clean with a paper towel. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and heat it. Add ginger and garlic paste. Give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add green curry paste. Give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute, stirring it continuously. Add capsicum, beans and zucchini. Give it a mix. Add half cup of chicken stock. Cover it and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add cooked chicken, coconut milk, about 1 cup of chicken stock. You can increase or decrease this amount depending on how thick or thin you want your curry soup to be. Fish sauce and sugar. Give it a mix. Put a lid on, leaving a small gap and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, give it a mix and taste your salt. It doesn't need any more salt, but you can always add it according to your taste. Put the lid back on, leaving a small gap, lower the heat and simmer it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add chopped chilies, give it a mix, turn the heat off and let me dish it out and show you. My Thai green chicken curry is ready and you can serve it with your favorite rice. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.